Hello, this is Guide Sarah Ernst, and we just got back from several multi-day trips we made through Grand Teton and Yellowstone National Parks. One of the highlights for me of a multi-day trip is the chance to get up to the northern range of Yellowstone, which is known as some of the best wolf watching really in the planet. And we definitely weren't disappointed on these recent trips viewing the Junction Butte pack at their rendezvous site. The Junction Butte pack is a little bit unusual for wild wolves in that multiple females in this pack bred, not only this year but in previous years, and that currently makes them the largest pack not only in Yellowstone but the whole region, at over 30 wolves including the pups. We're not really sure why so many females have been breeding. One possible hypothesis is that this pack has had some issues with female leadership in the pack. Multiple females have squabbled over who gets to be the alpha female. Another hypothesis is that they don't have a lot of direct competition from other packs. They dominate the northern range of Yellowstone. Their territory currently extends from the hell-roaring region of the park all the way out to Soda Butte Creek, territories which in the last 20 years have often been claimed by multiple wolf packs, but recently this one large pack has been dominating that whole area. Another hypothesis is that as the elk in Yellowstone have returned down to their historic levels from their overpopulated state, the wolves have turned more to hunting bison. And with elk, the optimal number for bringing down an elk is 4. But with bison, really the more the better. Bison are a much tougher, larger, more aggressive prey, and you need lots of bodies to bring down a bison. It's sort of like taking on Kevin Hart versus The Rock. You need a lot more support when you're taking on The Rock. So whichever reason why, it's been really a delight for us over the last few years to view so many puppies out there. We were able to see lots of good play behavior, greeting behavior, and even some tunneling through the dirt. One thing you'll notice about this pack is they do come in lots of different colors. Black wolves are only found in North America. The species we have here, the gray wolf, Canis lupus, is found all across the northern part of our globe. But you only find black wolves here, and that's due to thousands of years ago, native Inuit dogs breeding with the wolves, introducing the black gene into the population. We think the black gene originally came from a mutation in the dog population and then was brought into the wolves by interbreeding. And the black wolves we have now have been mating with other wolves long enough that they're considered to be 100% wolf, but they do have that black gene from some ancient dog DNA in their heritage. There has been some studies in the Yellowstone region that suggest that the black gene, which is a simple dominant recessive gene, the black gene is dominant over the gray gene. That means that 2 gray wolves can only have gray pups, but a black and a gray wolf can have both black and gray pups, and 2 black wolves that are both hiding the gray gene can both have both black pups and gray pups. There is some evidence that the K locus gene, the name of the gene for the black coat color in dogs and wolves, also gives wolves an advantage when it comes to disease resistance, especially in distemper. So there may be some positive pressure selecting for the black coat color in wolves, especially here in the Yellowstone region. We tend to see more black wolves here than we do in other parts of North America. And why that is, we're not entirely sure yet, but disease resistance is a contributing factor. You'll notice that some of the black wolves are starting to go gray, just like us humans. As they get into their golden years, they start to get more gray fur in their coats. Gray wolves can also change color. Most famously, the alpha female of the Hayden pack and her daughter, the alpha female of the Canyon pack, and in these days, the alpha female of the Wapiti Lake pack, the granddaughter of the Hayden alpha female. All 3 of those were born light gray and turned white as they aged. So all of the pale gray or white wolves we have here in Yellowstone are gray in color and have turned white over the years. With such a large pack, we can notice some individuals with certain color patterns or certain behavior traits. And it's like following a massive soap opera over the years. So even once you see them one year, when you come back, it's fascinating to follow their story.